Are you exhausted of doing a lot of math, just like me? So do you want to know how I got rid of that? Keep watching to learn that. Hello everyone, this is Amir Rodriguez and today I'm going to show you how I got rid of math. In fact, I didn't get, but instead I got rid of papers and calculators, and by calculators I mean either people like you and me who make perform these operations and do the calculations, or all installed machines like this calculator, or even smartphones that you may use them for doing your calculations. Well, they have more sophisticated applications than just doing calculations. And we as people have more important things to think on than doing tedious mathematical calculations. So you may ask me, what's your new modern calculator? And in response, I would say there are multiple softwares that help you do calculations, store data, and get Apple files. But here I will use Microsoft Excel as my new modern calculator. But before getting into that, let me explain what is a formula and what a function is in Excel. In Excel, everything that starts with an equal sign is a formula. You can do basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division using a formula in Excel. And for doing more complex operations and calculations, you can use functions. Functions are built-in expressions that help you do more complex calculations. And for making use of functions, you need to type the function name and fill the required arguments. Now that you know what they are, let's dive into the first example. Here we perform the four basic operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. We use the first two cells to enter the numbers and the following cell for the formulas. So as you see, we now have an automatic calculator. If we change the numbers, then the result will be recalculated, and that's a great benefit. I would not need to write a bunch of formulas again and again. In the second example, we want to fill the empty cell with the right functions. We have for each product a quantity and a unit price, and we want to use a function to calculate the total price. So we use the product function. In the total row, we add the quantities by the sum function. We find out the average unit price by using the average function, and finally we sum all the total prices. That's it, very sophisticated. In the next example, we have a table of time temperature data. We're gonna use some statistical functions to calculate the median, mode, and the standard deviation. The theory behind this is beyond the scope of this video, and I'm not gonna open it here. Just look at the functions I use. And finally, I show you the use of functions to calculate the modulo, the absolute value, and the positive square root of numbers. That's enough for now. I think that can help you skip manual calculations and give you more freedom to do more important things. Let me know in the comments what you think of this approach to math and whether you still use the traditional ways of doing math. And also, if you want to watch your problem solved in the next videos, or if you want to watch your favorite kind of videos, let me know what they are in the comments, and subscribe to our channel. So have a good time, keep going and be positive. See you soon.